Hi everyone, Mrs. Elmore here. I hope you all are doing well. Today I wanted to chat with you guys about container gardens. There's lots of different ways that you can start container gardens at your house. So we'll do a little bit of a series here and talk about different ways to do that, all right? I'd like to focus on repurposing items that you hopefully already have laying around your house. So thinking about reducing, reusing, recycling. All right, so today we're gonna start small, all right? This will be a fun little activity for your kids to be involved with, and think about this as a way to add greenery to your windowsill. Maybe you'd like to start some seeds for your outside garden, or you'd like to grow some microgreens for your dishes, always delicious and nutritious. Or if you'd like to do a little science experiment with your kids. All right, so what you're gonna need is you'll need potting soil. I recommend getting organic if you can. The seeds that you need to start today, our containers are very small, and we're gonna start with eggshells. So you'll need to gather some eggshells, the carton that they came in, you'll need water, and then a windowsill with good sunlight. All right, so as you are cracking your eggs, assuming you eat eggs at home, rinse out the eggshell, put them upside down, let them dry. And then once you have enough to fill your carton, we can start the activity, all right? So have your kids fill up the eggshells with potting soil. Again, I recommend having the kids do this over the bag so that there isn't too much of a mess. Reduces mess and also saves any extra potting soil. Once you've done that, you'll want to pick your seeds. So if you're gonna do this for transplanting, you probably have an idea of what you want to plant in your garden. If you need any help with that, feel free to reach out to me. I'm always here for you. If you would like to do microgreens, microgreens are basically the first sprouts, okay? Cotyledons, the first leaves that come out, are super nutritious and they add a great little garnish to your dishes, okay? If you're doing microgreens, you can do any vegetable seeds that you would like. Bigger ones might be a little more challenging in the eggshell space, but it doesn't mean that you can't do it. For microgreens, you can sprinkle a bunch of them in there because they're not going to be competing for space for too long, all right? If you would like to do a science experiment, you could do 1 seed versus 10 seeds. You could do a variety of different seeds and see which ones germinate first. You could cover some of them so that they don't get sunlight and see how that affects it. Lots of different fun little science experiments to do. Just make sure you label what you're doing, okay? And then you'll need to water. You'll need to water every day because our containers are very small and so the sunlight will dry out the soil, all right? And then anywhere from 3 to 7 days, you should start to see your little plants sprouting up, okay? Here's a tray I did with my son last week. So you can see that they're already sprouting up. We just decided to do a little bit of a science experiment and do a bunch of different seeds and see what they all look like, okay? As always, I'm here for you if you have any questions, and I'll be back soon with another container, all right? Happy planting, bye.